Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Josie 40.
The one and only, ne? Yeah. So, Jen, struggle with it. Hey, show him for it too.
Yes. Kimna. Kipete MNB today.
Hey, men be Fanaga. Look at that
birthday.
Two men bloomers. Happy birthday. Men bloomers. Happy birthday. Men bloomers. Happy birthday. To Coffee Nation. Men be sorry for it tonight. I get to go easy fella. Sa kwata. O tla ba se easy Setswana for it. Ka botsa we. Wena relax.
Wa re ke men plumas ke pete ya diamond mon. Ke pete ya mkhulu.
Jo go tlo bolela ka dikhomo le last story dikhomo o tsewa dikhomo wa to re. A tshepisa parete khomo. I want la ka go tshepise mo mang e.
Ai ka ba khomo yele.
Men blue. Never. Da bona mak mara enya. Men blue ulle. You said it and rutlwile men blue ne. Ulle agudleke akithi maybe ke tsamo.
Yes.
And I will say and then men be we bone you saw it coming. Yeah. Ulle o reka dijo a ditsene wa tlhauna a di tlhaune.
Yes.
That guy ne if Bobby a mo tsele koptu.
Yeah.
Bobby shift ku Chiefs o fe men blue at Steve stilo sa Chiefs.
Arane Kaizer Chiefs.
Men be a runner Chiefs.
Clear.
Men be a runner Chiefs. Men be papa wawa le kila
Abafethu.
le ngababala ma Chiefs ala le serious mara basina akis issue ke
Basna eng abu basna eng.
abana le clue ya hore o etsa langa Chiefs
Mara ba serious.
ba ketela Chiefs di player Joe Demons always ba bolela hore bana lo bolela hore re nyaka mokete ane ba totse ba nyaka ba faila go Chiefs
Yes.
and so ba faila
Yes.
that means ba timela ha ba bolela hore Joe re fail Chiefs
Yes.
and then lena ona ba re ngwapi ya ba re mangena
Nabi.
ona wa ka Joe
Nabi.
ona pele tsene pele ka Joe a shidi sona
King, no paying na ba re ke bona, o paying na. No paying. No paying. O paying ka.
so ka re botse ne
Joke stampa le pop.
yeah something like that marana
O paying ka.
John Starben Chiefs re nara tlhomba Chiefs ne batsadi ba rena ba tswa go Chiefs
Yeah.
and metla yotlhe ona no e bolela ka Chiefs every day e bolela the way Chiefs sonze operate ka teng
Yes.
Gents le disappoint the Chiefs
Yes.
because every day ba bolela Chiefs sonze it's a mango guy it's a mango guy it's a mango ilo twa nna le ma Sundowns re nyaka mokete go Sundowns never so ma Chiefs di tlohelang o ntse le re le nyaka mang le bona ba le mo TV ba le ba bolelang thata ba re ke mambo bo manenze le bo
Manenze ke le Chiefs.
ya botau yeah di hele ku crash
Yeah.
tse di marketelang Chiefs di player
Yes.
le tsa Chiefs di Gents tlohelang Bobby mara serious ke na le 10 years ntse ka utlwa hore nya ka batho and batho ba ba nyakile sanga ba perform go Chiefs and then no na go bela ba Gents yeah again ona nga se ba kwala le bibele ka tlale nga ba kwala utlwala enga kwala di phoso tsa ma Chiefs ya otla bibele ka tlale yeah lena wona no ha ka mbozo re nyaka mangu Chiefs samtsele koptu so utlwala ina go tsantshone Bobby Junior
Yeah.
ba nyanze le tswelela Mamotau ene ba asanga ba khoma le kwa Motau asanga ba tsana le ka K Mara, they will tell you how to run Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, Emanyana.
The teams that do practice the whole week, the whole year, but I do win. What practice is Sundowns run? Pena is like now try for the first Sundowns because we can win. Send them a snake but what? Send them a yeah, more Sundowns. Your fella yo. Retadile today, Steve won retadile today. But therefore the more Sundowns. Just one chance, but win the game. But the next cast need what? I say why Chawai say what Joyce? I say why say why you not know about tomorrow?
How go to Chiefs in the 15 years old, go to Chiefs in the hello? 15 years old. If I want to go to focusing on the how, Utlele Chiefs in the Utlele, while the Teleco do, Steve, Emanyan. So last year, I was away. What did it give me? 15 years. What did it give me? Makuja 1 day, 2 days, what I like, Yokuja 1 day, 2 what I like game. What I like, so that is why I'm not Steve on there. Steve, what I'm saying, but also you might check, but don't might check you what to want. You play just on you check up just down. Yeah, couple of it. Steve, on good look at how got your Chiefs 15 years old? Well, is a go to. Was it Kevin no Haneboats? Yeah, so whenever no Calabama Bowie Bowie, yeah, Bobu Woglate, yeah, Kaizer Junior Woglate, Kaizer Junior Woglate, Papa no Woglate, yeah, and the demons go ragged as Hagabazan Gate. Yabu is a good children, give like a gate, Yaguamata, yeah, so Emma, when Emanyan, good one, not one, I give on to Joras, you come over. So, so wait, que Copella or Utlema Chiefs next time, or was top Emma my Chiefs by the Sonne, gents, ugly disrespect. Gelukel number twice in Gabolo, Horrere, so I'm Mudilon Saquamota, Lena, little follow, never follow Sundowns, follow Chiefs, gents. No, man, Steve, our practice, but we not game but what? Our practice, but we not do. Okay, so what shall I put on Wednesday? What we don't Thursday? What practice you know about what? Do you respect me? Do you respect me? Do you respect me? Do you respect me? Who can let me turn on the 15 years after we hey, what about we learn how to buy? Making money. Are you making money? When I know people like us, give me a kohela mota ungarane team ya. As a snake fella, Steve. As a snake fella, Steve. You don't like Jabo on it. So you are the check. So anybody check the polite son. Okay, Mr. Snake. Mr. Snake, Mr. Snake, practice all game. Mr. Snake, Rutwi.